prepare for a design revolution. Today, I'm spilling the beans on 13 jaw-dropping designer secrets that will catapult your space into a realm of unparalleled style and magic. Ready to unlock the door to your dream home? Keep watching and let the transformation begin. Hello everybody! Welcome back to your channel, HD Interiors. In today's video, I'm spilling the beans on 13 designer secrets to transform your living space. Ever wondered how to make small rooms feel larger or add that touch of glamour? Stick around! We'll cover capturing inspiration, functional room design, furniture tricks, and much more. If you're ready to turn your home into a haven, hit that like button, subscribe, and let's get started. Alright, let's kick things off with the first secret, capturing inspiration. Have you ever found yourself thinking, I wish I could recreate that look in my home? Well, my go-to trick is creating a dream home folder on your phone. It's like having a visual diary of all those wow moments in one place. Imagine strolling through the city and you spot a stylish outfit or a picturesque garden during a family day out. Snap a quick pic, toss it into your dream home folder, and voila, you've got your own personalized mood board. I can't tell you how many times this has saved me when I'm out shopping or planning a new project. So, whether it's fashion, street style, or the colors of nature, capture those inspirations and let them guide your design decisions. Stay tuned because we've got 12 more secrets coming your way. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you're ready to revamp your space, and let me know in the comments your favorite sources of inspiration. Now, let's move on to the next game-changing secret. Now that we've got our inspiration game strong, let's talk about something crucial, functional room design. Who says you have to stick to the traditional design rulebook? Not us. Picture this, you walk into your home, and instead of being met with the living room right away, you're in charge of demarcating your zones. It's like having a blank canvas ready for your personal touch. So, if your family isn't the formal dining type, why not turn that space into a home office, a cozy reading nook, or maybe a music room? Functionality is key, and in this segment, we're breaking down those design barriers. We're demystifying the idea that certain rooms have to be in specific spots. Your home, your rules. Alright, buckle up, because we're about to spill some secrets when it comes to furniture and seating. You know that feeling when you walk into a room and it just feels cramped? Fear not! Our next secret is all about creating an open and spacious vibe. Low back and armless chairs are the unsung heroes in small spaces. Picture this, you're in a cozy apartment or a studio, and you're thinking, how do I make this room look bigger? Well, opt for low back furniture. If the back is lower than your shoulders, you're on the right track. It's like a visual magic trick that instantly opens up the space. And here's another gem, armless lounge chairs. Not only do they add a touch of modern flair, but they're also like chameleons in a room. You can slide in and out with ease, creating conversation corners or just embracing that minimalist aesthetic. So, if you're ready to make your space feel like it's got room to breathe, hit that like button. Next up, we're unraveling the secrets of starting with the perfect area rug. Stay tuned! Let's roll out the design magic with our next secret, starting with the perfect area rug. Now, I know what you're thinking, why start with a rug? Well, my friends, the rug is like the anchor of your design ship, and it's about to set sail. Choosing an area rug isn't just about adding a soft touch under your feet, it's about setting the tone for the entire room. Imagine you find a rug with a mesmerizing color palette or a pattern that just speaks to your soul. That, my friends, becomes your design compass. The colors and vibes from your chosen rug become the guiding light for everything else, from furniture choices to wall colors. It's like creating a symphony of design elements that all play in harmony. So, if you're ready to embark on a design journey with your rug leading the way, hit that like button. Alright, my friends, we're entering the design stratosphere, the often overlooked, yet game-changing element of your home, the ceilings. Ever felt like your room needed a bit more pizzazz? Well, our next secret is all about turning your ceilings into an absolute showstopper. First up, high gloss sheen. Imagine this, your ceiling bathed in a lustrous finish, reflecting light like a dance party in the clouds. It not only makes your space feel more expansive, but also adds a touch of high-end glamour. Who said the fifth wall can't steal the spotlight? Now, let's talk faux beams. These aren't just architectural elements, they're storytellers. Faux beams add a level of sophistication, creating visual interest and depth. Think of them as the supporting actors in your home's blockbuster design. We've explored the heights of glamour with high gloss sheen and faux beams, and now it's time to steer our design ship with intention. Ceilings aren't just overhead, they're a storytelling canvas, and we're about to set a purposeful direction. Ever imagined an open beam ceiling? Envision a space that feels liberated, adorned with those stunning faux beams, and illuminated like a star-studded night. It's not just about what we mentioned, it's about creating an immersive experience. If you're ready to infuse your design with intention, smash that like button. But hang tight, because in our next segment, we're diving into the power of starting your design journey with organic materials, bringing a touch of nature into your living space. Stay tuned for the organic design magic coming your way. Okay, design enthusiasts, let's bring a breath of fresh air into our homes with our next secret, starting your design journey with organic materials. Nature-inspired vibes are in, and we're here for it. When we talk organic, think of linens, cotton, wood, and natural stones. These materials not only bring warmth and texture, but also a timeless touch to your space. It's like inviting a bit of the outdoors in, creating a harmonious blend between your home and nature. All right, fellow design enthusiasts, let's brighten up our lives, literally. Our next secret is all about the art of layering lighting. Ever walked into a room and thought, something feels missing? Well, it might just be the lighting game. Layering lighting is like creating a symphony for your eyes. Imagine a room where recessed lighting, flush mounts, pendants, and a stunning chandelier all play together. It's not just about banishing the shadows, it's about crafting an atmosphere that feels both cozy and inviting. Now, let's dive a bit deeper. If you have a larger space, consider different types of lighting sources at various heights. Think about how natural light interacts with your artificial sources. Recessed lighting can provide overall illumination, while strategically placed floor or table lamps add a touch of warmth and intimacy. And here's a pro tip. If you want to highlight specific features like artwork or architectural details, incorporate accent lighting. Picture a sleek spotlight drawing attention to that exquisite piece of art or that unique architectural element. Now that we've set the perfect lighting stage, let's sprinkle a bit of magic with our next secret, gold-lined lampshades. Trust me, it's the kind of glow-up your space deserves. So, what's the buzz about gold-lined shades? Well, it's all about that warm, enchanting glow. The gold lining reflects light, casting a cozy, inviting ambience in your room. It's like having a touch of luxury without going overboard. Let's shed some light on one more secret, the power of vanity lighting. We all know the importance of good lighting, especially in spaces like bathrooms. So, consider this the bonus round. Ever applied makeup or tried to perfect that hairstyle and thought, is the lighting playing tricks on me? Well, my friends, it's time to upgrade your vanity game. Here's the secret sauce, vertical wall sconces. Picture this, 2 elegant sconces on either side of your bathroom mirror, evenly lighting up your face for that flawless finish. Not only does it add a touch of glamour, but it also serves a practical purpose, especially for tasks that require precision. Excited to transform your vanity space? Show some love with that like button. Let's talk about turning your walls into a masterpiece without breaking the bank. Our next secret is all about creating an affordable and unique gallery wall using thrifted artwork. Trust me, it's a game changer. Thrifting isn't just about saving money, it's about discovering hidden treasures that add character and charm to your space. Picture this, a wall adorned with a curated collection of artwork, each piece with its own story. It's not just decor, it's a narrative unfolding on your walls. But how do you make this magic happen? Well, start by exploring thrift stores, flea markets, or even your grandma's attic. Look for artwork that resonates with you, whether it's a vintage painting, a quirky illustration, or a classic print. The key is to mix and match, creating a dynamic composition that speaks to your unique style. Before we sign off, we're in the home stretch, and now it's time to frame your dreams, quite literally. Our next secret is all about the transformative power of frames and matting. Have you ever looked at a small piece of artwork and thought, how can I make this pop? Well, here's the secret sauce, ornate frames and doubling up on matting. It's like giving your artwork a red carpet moment. Ornate frames add that touch of sophistication, while doubling up on matting not only adds substance, but also makes your artwork feel more substantial and special. It's the kind of finishing touch that turns a collection of pieces into a cohesive and stunning gallery wall. Now, we've almost reached the grand finale, and it's time to infuse a burst of freshness into your space, the power of adding a touch of green. It's the secret ingredient that brings life to your home. Now, when we talk about adding green, we're not just talking about color, it's about creating a feeling associated with nature. Picture this, a room, beautifully designed, but missing that vibrant touch. Enter something green, a plant, a flower, or even a few blades of grass. It's not just decor, it's a living, breathing element that connects your space to the outdoors. The benefits go beyond aesthetics. Plants can improve air quality, reduce stress, and create a calming atmosphere. So, whether you're a plant parent with a jumble at home or just starting with a tiny succulent, the impact is real. Feeling the green vibes? Show some love with that like button. But don't go anywhere because, in our final segment, we're recapping these 13 game-changing designer secrets, from capturing inspiration to adding that final touch of green. Get ready for a design wrap-up that'll leave you inspired and ready to transform your space. Stay tuned! Wow, what a design journey it's been, HD Interiors fans! We've unraveled 13 game-changing secrets that can transform your living space into a true masterpiece. From capturing inspiration to adding that final touch of green, we've covered it all. Remember, your home is your canvas, and each secret we've explored today is like a brushstroke, adding depth and character. Whether you're a seasoned designer or just starting, these tips are here to spark your creativity and guide your design adventures. I hope you've found inspiration in the unexpected, whether it's the allure of thrifted artwork or the transformative power of layering lighting. Design is not just about aesthetics, it's about crafting an experience, telling a story, and making your space uniquely yours. If any of these secrets resonate with you, let me know in the comments. And if you're ready to embark on more design adventures, hit that subscribe button for future inspiration. Thank you for joining me on this design unveiling. Your home is a reflection of you, and with these secrets, you have the tools to make it extraordinary. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.